Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Navi, and today I'm pretty much showing y'all how I achieve this style. This is my first time doing it, so chill if it's something you don't like, whatever. It's my first time trying it, and by the way it turned out, I'm cool with it. I never did faux locks before or anything, so this is like a one-time thing. I kind of love it, so stay tuned if you're interested in how to basically achieve this look. Whoa. Let's get right into it. I have no clue why I keep popping out the video like this and back in. I don't know. So right here, this is pretty much my 3-pack mark. So yeah. This is pretty much where it all began. I crocheted the hair through my braid. I did accidentally pull a piece of the other side of the hair, I guess. So it did get a little messy, but that's all okay. It works out in the end. But one piece did come out of the whole process. So I am beginning to wrap at my root, wrapping tightly, or at least trying to. See, here is where I remember that I'm supposed to be wrapping loosely at this point, so I had went down real quick just to look in the mirror and fix it a little bit. Okay, so once I get to the bottom of the lock, pretty much I flip it over my finger, but I twist the exact same direction I was twisting when I came down. So as you're coming to the end of the strand, you don't need to do anything extra with it. You pretty much wrap it like you were doing before, and it stays locked pretty much. I don't really know what was happening right here, so I don't know. Yeah. As you can see, I'm starting to remember to wrap loosely, so that's what I'm starting to do as I go down the lock, or forming the lock, I guess. Whatever length that you want your lock, that's where you stop wrapping, and eventually flip over the strand and start wrapping upwards. It's not really giving me what I want. I'm a clown, bro. Okay, so now I'm pretty much crocheting the hair through my braid. I will begin to pull. There you go. I will pull one side of the hair through my hair. If you pull the wrong strand, it does get a little complicated, as you can see, but it all works out for you. I don't know if you can tell or not, but once I start wrapping, I really don't have a strategy. I wrap about 3 times at the root, and then I get looser as I go down, or at least I attempt to get looser. If I remember it, I do it, okay? Also, the hair right here was not nappy. I just thought I had to pluck it out more just to get the butterfly distressed look that I was going for. I was currently telling myself in about 7 different languages that I didn't know how I felt about my hair. Like various times through this video. At this point, I was fake frustrated, but it's okay. It all worked out in the long run, so it's fine. I was just letting y'all know that it was nothing but God's grace that I had just enough hair. Literally just enough. Yes, I definitely did just change just to take pictures. Well, mainly to close out the video, but when I tell y'all I kept calling myself a mop dog, I mean, I don't know. Just get into it at this point. I did not think this would be cute on me, but now I'm looking at it and I just feel pretty. So, yeah. I mean, I'm about to go to bed. Does it really need to be like, whoa? Yeah, that don't matter. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god. Okay. So, pretty much there are some iffy pieces in my head, but I mean, I don't really think it's a big deal at this point. Overall, the look is cute. I wanted it to look a certain way from this video I seen, but I'm also cool with this because it actually could be a lot worse. So I'll show you the back. I'm scared. Don't judge me, okay? I can't see the back of my head. I don't know what it looks like. I know the back is probably fuzzier. Don't judge me. This is the back. What it look like? I don't know. Y'all better not be making fun of me. But yeah. Yeah, but I use 6 packs of the Freetress Braid 22-inch water wave, okay? My hair color, the closest thing to my hair color is 1B. It has been changing a lot in the sun, but that's not really important, okay? I did not count. Hold on, I'm gonna count real quick. maybe I'm just too tired to count or something, but the girl on the video I watched, she had 48 braids and she used 7 packs. I have 50 and I use 6 packs. So honestly, get 7 to be safe. I don't know. I literally have 2 pieces left, so 6 was a safe enough number for me. 7 would have been too much with leftovers. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's all for me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this tutorial for my first time trying this style. I don't know if you can recommend any other styles for me to try that you want to see me do so you can do it. Just leave that down in the comment section below. Bye.